One of the questions we frequently get is, how do monthly expenses work? One of the main benefits of owning an Ancana home is that you split the monthly expenses with other homeowners. Even if you have the funds to purchase an entire vacation home, one factor many people do not consider is the ongoing cost of ownership of a whole home. Between property taxes, insurance, utilities, cleaning and maintenance, the cost can really add up for a home you may only use a few weeks per year. When you buy a share of a home with Ancana, we manage all of the expenses for you. We split the expenses equally between the other co-owners based on their ownership percentage, so you only pay a fraction of the total cost. These costs are passed directly to the owners with no markup. Ancana does not make any money from the monthly expenses. You are only ever responsible for your portion of the monthly costs. So if not all the fractions of a property are sold or another owner misses their monthly payment, Ancana is responsible for footing this part of the bill. Each month, you'll receive a detailed breakdown of your share of the expenses. Making your payment each month is simple. You have the option to set up autopay and will automatically charge your preferred payment method, or you can log into the Ancana Owners Portal and make the payment manually. If your goal is to own equity in a luxury vacation home without being on the hook for all the expenses, Ancana is a great option for you. If you have further questions about expenses or payments, please visit our website at ancana.co or contact a member of our team.